Look who's awake. What did you just ask me?
Can we go to dim sum?
Man, we go dim sum. We eat dim sum on a Sunday. It's our little tradition.
Mommy, tomorrow we're turn on the TV now.
No, you've had to turn on the TV all morning. It's
Jackson, it's your
Atlas and
turn.
Jackson's turn now. Oh, no you don't.
TV. I don't want it anymore. Welcome.
Anybody see Ivy? Go look, see if you see Ivy. Please, just go check for me now. Ivy, what are you? Where were you? Where were you? Girl. Ivy, come right down here, please. Where was she? Go close your room door for me. Hi, cutie.
I found her.
Sweet girl. You ready to sing your morning song?
Yeah.
Let's go. Good morning to you. And how do you do? Good morning, good morning, good morning to you.
I made a subscribe
Baby
button.
Ivy.
I made a subscribe button.
What is the subscribe button? Oh, a subscriber button. Good job. That's exactly what it looks like. The like button. Thumbs up. You girl, where were you and what were you doing?
You're looking in the mirror.
May I have a kiss?
No.
Please?
No.
One kiss for mommy? Ozzy, can you give mama a kiss then? You have to brag. You smell like noodles. I think it's time to go wake up daddy. Will you two go wake up daddy? Go wake up daddy. Alright. Yeah, go behind her and make sure she makes it up safely. Look where you going. Yeah?
This girl growing up?
She's growing up, Atlas.
No.
She made it safely.
Oh my god.
Sure, thanks for following behind her. No, man.
And my sweet little Azzy. Hi, Mr. Ozempic.
Hi.
You okay?
Nice.
Yeah, alright, Baba. Jesus, please. Alright. Alright, come boozy, come boozy. Long time we don't go dim sum still, you know.
Nope. That's why we're going now.
Guys, sometimes
We go to Tinsum. Then we go.
I don't really like when these guys wake me up because they come with them excitement and I have to be on and but when they pre-things, it's all about perspective, right? Because I could have to wake up by an alarm clock and then have to go work the Sunday morning, like enough people for work on Sunday. So what I have to do is just put things into perspective.
Little girl.
My little sweet baby them come wake me up. Everybody is healthy and well. And I have to give thanks for
Like
that.
this belly right here.
And I have to count my blessings
We can say belly button.
and appreciate this
place my
wonderful
belly.
life that God has given me and my family. And when it's good, we have to enjoy the good. Because when they go and get tough, they go and get tough. And that's a part of life too that we just have to appreciate. So, rough wake up, nice wake up. It's all about the perspective, you know what I'm saying? I love my little alarm clocks. Best alarm clocks ever. Guys, when they can't wake me up any time. Jacks have robotics today.
Yeah, he does. Yeah, he's out for a couple hours. You know, speaking of Jackson, he did so well. He took part in the kangaroo math competition and he did so well. Let me give you the stats on it. Over 2,000 kids entered, over 600 made it to the finals. And our boy made it to top 12, coming 7th in his category.
Guys, tell Jackson a big congratulations for his achievements in the kangaroo maths. This mind of yours is a beautiful mind. Congratulations, we're happy and we're very proud of you. And we need to celebrate with a dim sum.
Yes, we do.
Because you lose some and you win some, but you're a winner.
He has to go to robotics today.
I know.
Can't go to dim sum.
Unless we leave now.
No, dim sum doesn't start until 10 o'clock. I could bring back some sawbows for you.
Yeah,
Why can't you
definitely.
just take me to Candy Crush earlier?
We'll do Candy Crush later.
Oh, okay.
But Atlas Jackson also went to Fun in the Sun yesterday. Tell them about that, Jax.
Bro, you have to tell us all about that. Hold on.
Oh yeah. Yesterday at Fun in the Sun, I met Toby Mac and his wife.
You met Toby Mac? No. No way, bro.
Yes.
Really? And what else? What else happened?
I also saw the Governor General and his wife.
What?
Oh. Did you meet them?
Yep.
Oh, lovely.
That's awesome. And then what else?
I saw a bunch of other people.
Yeah. So it's a nice like a Sunday reference you get for whole.
Yeah.
Good gospel
stuff.
music, right?
Yeah, it was great.
Good prayers, good lessons.
And good food. The man said me 10 pieces of jerk chicken.
Wow.
About?
And good friends. Good friends.
Good friends, yes.
Nice, Bookie.
Big up to Jace and his beautiful family who took Jackson out for the day and took him for that experience. So much fun.
And big up to Tami Cowan himself, Uncle Tami. Another successful Fun in the Sun. As soon as I have you on the cut, you know. Yes, Mr. Cowan, Miss Sue, I have you on the cut, bossy. Yeah. Maybe a nice cut episode with him and Carleen Davis. And them can come share them whole heap of stories and experience with me and the cut crew. That would be cool. Our first woman in the cut. Might have a buzz. Alright guys, so by the time you see this, second episode of The Cut is going to be up on the MTM channel. So when you finish watching this video, go and check out episodes 1 and 2 if you haven't seen them yet. Episode 1 is Glenn Campbell and Oliver Samuels, and episode 2 is Chris Martin and Triple X. So check them out when you have some time. Alright? Thank you, please. Tami, you need to get ready.
I'm hungry. Bad.
You're hungry?
Bad.
I don't eat nothing from, not even water I drink from morning. So you know, say your boy hungry too.
Huh?
So,
Yes.
what about Jackson? Okay, arrange that.
He's fine. He told me what to do already. He said to bring back pork and beef and sawbones for him. My goodness, I just told Ivy that we have to go get dressed and she came to me with her clothes. Hi Boogie.
Wow.
We're going to get dressed now? Okay, watch your step. Let's go in the room and get dressed.
See? Your little sister is a fashionista.
No!
Get it
Are you
done.
seriously right now?
By the way, I'm slogan that I've
is.
been kissing by them cheek this man and hear him now. Are you seriously right now?
Ozzy,
You need a t-shirt, Ozzy.
it's actually, are you serious right now?
I'm seriously right
No, just are you serious right now?
I'm seriously right now.
Even though I think your way might be better. Yes, Daddy gonna pour that up for you and let me get you dressed. Come on.
Oh, mirror, mirror on the wall. Who's the prettiest of them all? Ivy Bean. Hey, pretty. Wow. Can I see your hairstyle? Beautiful. Say cheese. Oh, she shoes them too now. No, man. She feeling herself. Yeah.
Mr. Sun,
Shine,
Mr. Golden Sun,
please shine on me.
oh Mr. Sun,
Shine,
Mr. Golden Sun,
shine, please shine on me.
Yay!
Shine, please shine, please shine on me.
good. What about this one? Where is Ivy?
Where is Ivy? Where is
Here I am.
I see?
Very well, I thank you. Go away. Go away. Yay! Clapper.
You guys all set?
Yeah. Dad, is that Marcus Garvey?
Yes, on my shirt.
Can I see
What you know about Marcus Garvey?
He fought for us.
He fought for us? For black people, for Jamaican people? You read about him
Yeah, at school.
at school?
I'm learning about the how the Tanos got enslaved by the Spaniards and how the British came and fight them.
What? So you learn about all the national heroes.
Yeah.
You know any more national heroes?
I can tell you all of them.
What?
I
One.
know the bells.
Nanny of the Maroon.
Uh-huh.
Alexander something.
Bustamante.
Yeah, Alexander Bustamante.
Uh-huh.
Gordon William Manley. Norman Manley.
Norman Manley, Marcus Garvey.
Yes. And
Jordan
I think there's one more.
Paul Bogle.
Yeah, Paul Bogle.
George William Gordon.
Yeah, I said the third.
You said George William Gordon? Okay, cool. Boy, you're going good, man.
And then
Yeah, Bookie?
I know about Minister Marley.
Who?
Minister Marley?
Minister Marley?
Yeah.
You mean Bob Marley?
Kind.
Bob Marley, yeah, he was like a kind of minister for true because he used to minister music. Yeah.
He does. Yeah.
We need to watch a Bob Marley movie too, bro.
Oh yeah.
Don't it?
Yeah, that we saw.
One day we'll watch it, okay? One day soon we'll
Wait.
watch it.
Is it Bob Marley one of like the
National heroes? No. But everybody, a lot of people are lobbying and trying to make him a national hero because of his contribution to Jamaica and the music and the culture. And he also fought through music for black people rights. Yeah. I think he should be a national hero.
Yeah, me too.
Don't
Guys, look at this. There used to be so much ice cream in here. Like here, all the way up here. And I'm too
So how do you want to eat the ice cream when? You don't say it's foolishness.
I'm telling you something. It's when you eat Chinese food on Sunday. There's something about ice cream
Right after.
It's a gonna call your name. Even if you don't go, Devon is gonna say, yo, come. You can hear Devon in your ears. Come, psst, psst, you, hi, vanilla, chocolate, grape nut, pistachio,
Momo, what you had?
Coffee, rum and raisin.
She never had coconut. That's what flavor you had?
Pistachio, my favorite. From now on until I am 20, I'm gonna be eating pistachio.
No, ice cream got through phases. Cause first time I wouldn't order coconut. I must really turn big man for true. I really in my 40s for true.
Coconut is so good.
One time, coconut ended up on my agenda. None at all. I made cookies and cream and them something. No,
Like your Britney.
I got to the next phase. Rum and raisin, Momo, you're elder for true. Rum and raisin, elder flavor for true.
I love coconut. Coconut and chocolate. I usually eat only coffee.
Mommy's eating coconut and chocolate right now.
But honestly, it's too much ice cream, man.
No.
It's too much.
MTM family, drop in the comment section which flavor ice cream you love.
Okay guys, back home now, but a quick outfit change, and Ivy and I are headed out right now. We are going to an all-girls birthday party. Her like a friend birthday parties today, so I'm going with Auntie Tess and Zaya. We're heading there for a little bit. So where is Tessie though? Ivy, you ready to go? How are you going to manage without napping? Let's hope you make it through, kiddo. Yeah, that's what Jackson. Girls trip! Girls trip! Don't tell Ayla. It's a big girl party. She's sleeping. Oh, Ivy should be sleeping too, but lo and behold, we're going to a party! Yay! That's right, Mama.
Which song that?
CG5.
Which song?
It's Sleep Well by CG5.
Oh, sick.
Yeah, it's a very good song.
You find a song there? Jackson find. Oh man. I bet you never know Sir Jackson could have sing so sweet and Gio could have played so sweet. Yeah, Michelle boy them sweet. Yeah, make a far go down at the game, you know. Alright, right now, we're late.
I said that. I go today.
Why? We lose, one love is a hot, one love is a Bob Marley we get. But it was a good fight. We got a good amount of chances for equalizer. Even before them score, we get a couple chances too.
You never get a free kick in the last.
Free kick in the last. I just one more foot it won't come down.
Jeez,
One more foot. It's a Roberto Carlos, Alright, me not tell a lie. You catch it?
I catch it, man.
You catch it?
Show them.
People, tell me how much out of 10 the free kick you get. It no score, but it's as close as you get. All the real baller them know says a good kick that. Yes, my baller, respect. All real baller know says a good kick that. Anyway, I got shoot up back.
That was the last match for the season.
The last match for the season, so that basically was the last play.
Yeah.
Last ditch attempt for get back the parity. But I go. I say I got a ball game. We move again. We have the knockout competition. Anyway,
I made it back home. Kids' birthday parties are tiring. Let me tell you that. And your moms out there, if you know, you know. Anyway, it was a lovely little party, and I'm back home eating some cookies that I baked yesterday. I made these yummy chocolate chip cookies that they should be called cakeys because it's just yum. Our Don'sy win, which means she's gone to the football tournament. I think this is the last game for that tournament. So he should be back soon. I feel like I'm about to take a nap. Ooh, tired that kill me. Abu came through with the stuff. She came through with the stuff. She said, you want a case? I got a case. You want the daddy stuff? I got the what's its name again? Suction cup.
Suction something.
That is it. You need to, do you have an Amazon store for it?
No.
You need one.
I need a Temu store.
Oh! Don't tell the people that.
Because I floss on my friends.
I'm saying, and I'll get gifts. Thank you, Shannon.
You're welcome.
Awesome. Yay. Miss, you can't go
Okay,
anywhere.
I'll move it.
We have to go inside now. Ivy, I know you want to go with Auntie Shannon. Oh, look, Daddy's home. But you can't, okay? Come, Daddy's home.
Yo, what going on, son?
Okay, bye-bye. You going to go with Auntie Shannon? Okay, bye. See you
I
later.
don't understand this. The shirt back open out and tattoo a people. How is
Queen, I'm a young girl.
little cute little girl.
Come.
He's Santa.
Hey, my thing turn up now. Watch out me, I'm gonna stick this on the wall. No, hey, I know we're not gonna get video. I know we're not gonna get video. When you watch it, let there be like. Me can't stick this anyway, you know.
this? So you stick on all the tile like Spider-Man?
Watch out now. Can I stick to yes or too? Suppose me want the video right here, so I may just go so.
You never have to stick it on lean though. Wow.
By the way, Ivy is in the car with Shannon sitting on because I can't get her out of the car.
Just hanging
So
out.
I just said to Shannon, you bring her in when you are ready to bring her in. I'm going to change.
You see your face. You're driving.
Beep beep.
Press it. Press hard. Go again. Beep, beep, beep. Press this. No.
Beep beep beep. Beep beep beep.
Beep, beep, beep. The wheels on the bus go round and round all through the time. The driver of the bus goes beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. The driver of the bus goes beep, beep, beep. All through the town. Wah, wah, wah. Wah, wah, wah. The baby on the bus goes wah, wah, wah. All through the town. I'm looking at the time. What time is it? Hmm?
Yeah.
Watch.